afternoon, people, and welcome back to my channel. It's China Doll here. So I am currently at the Orlando International Airport. It is 4th of July weekend and I'm super excited because July is gonna be a full month of travels. I know I haven't made a video for you guys in a couple weeks. That's because I was saving up and getting ready for my trips. Plus July is my birthday month, so I'm super excited. It's coming up. Woo! If just to let you guys know, if you're coming to the Orlando airport and you're gonna be parking here, make sure you either come super early or something, because like when I was in the other garage, like the A and B garage, there was like no spots. I was like driving around in circles and I couldn't find anything. And then Terminal C, which is the terminal I'm currently at right now, they had spots available. So it's a little bit further away from the main terminals, but at least you're gonna be able to get a spot. So parking here, I think it's about what, $20 a night. But speaking of Terminal C, you see the construction that's going on outside. By the end of this year, I believe this should be all done, and then this new Terminal C will be having like new restaurants and like stores and things like that. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys whenever that opens, because this is my home airport. And I haven't told you guys where we're going today. I'm there like having this long intro, but we are flying to New York City. I have been here a couple times, but I love it so much and there's always like new things going on. But we started off with a really rough travel day, and what I mean by that is, so I had booked my flight on JetBlue, and on the way to the airport I received a notification on the app saying the flight got canceled and it won't be, the next available won't be until tomorrow morning at 6:30, and it's like kind of frustrating because I have a lot of things like crammed into this weekend trip. So I was like, oh no. So like next best thing is to just book another airline and be guaranteed to get there tonight. So I'll update you guys and let you know what's going on. Since I'm already at the airport early, I'm gonna do something different that I don't normally do, which is like go and show you guys stores and stuff like that, because usually I just come to the airport and go straight to my flight. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's go. In Terminal C, I'm waiting for the APM, which is the automated people mover. I still call it like a monorail because, you know, I go to Disney a lot, so I consider like every train like a monorail. But this APM comes about every 4 minutes, so next one should be here any second now. I really like this terminal. It's very fancy. Train is now arriving. I am happy. I get so excited like a little kid going to board the train right now. Well, 8 p.m. That's what they call it here at the Orlando airport. Yay! Okay, 8 p.m. is off, and actually I don't know why, but coming from Terminal C, it actually feels faster. Now it feels like we're on a ride at Disney. It's pretty cloudy out. I think it's gonna about to rain, but that's normal here in Florida in the summer. It rains those afternoon showers. We finally got off the train. Now we're heading over to the Disney store, which is in the airport. So if you didn't get your merch while you're in the parks, they have them right here in the airport. So the first thing you see is all the 50th anniversary stuff. And then of course their Pride merch is right over here. They're all the candy. Oh, that's some cute suitcases. Look at that. And you know what's crazy, guys? Like I said, as many times as I've traveled in this airport, I have never ever been in this store. I usually just go straight to my flight, so this is pretty cool. They have this really cool mural of the Ratatouille on basically all the rides that they have at the parks right behind me right here. Look at Galaxy's Edge. Across from the Disney store is the Universal store, so we're gonna be walking into like the Harry Potter section first. Of course, there's my house, Gryffindor. But they have Slytherin, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff. It's pretty cool. I wonder if they have the wands here too, do they? Yeah, I see a couple of them right over here. All the different type of wands. Ooh. So, Dwayne Hansen, the Traveler, has been sleeping in this airport since 1985. It's funny because I remember the very first time I came here, I thought he was a real person, and he just looks so realistic. I was like, I don't think he's ever gonna wake up. Guys, I wanted to give you a little update of what's going on. So I had to rebook another flight on a different airline because JetBlue wasn't having any later flights. The next available flight wasn't tomorrow at 6:30, and I really want to get to New York tonight. So I booked a flight on American Airlines one way, but the only thing that sucks is it's a layover. You know I hate layover. I prefer straight flights, but gotta do what I gotta do to get to New York. So we're gonna leave here from Orlando MCO to Charlotte, then from Charlotte to LaGuardia. So that was the only airport that was available in New York. I prefer JFK, but you know, beggars can't be choosers. If I wanna get somewhere, I, you know, just gotta do what I gotta do. And I'm really glad I got TSA pre-check, because you know, on the holidays, the security line can be super long, but with TSA pre-check, I get in and out within what, probably 5 minutes or so. Totally worth it. Like I tell you this in every trip. If you travel as much as I do, pay the $85 for 5 years, and it's totally worth it. You don't take your shoes off, you don't take your laptops off. So convenient. And I just show up at the airport like maybe an hour before my flights. Like, you know, they recommend 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, but if you pack light like me and don't pack much, then you're good to go. So let's go. Hopefully nothing happens, no more cancellations. Let's see. So a little update, I'm currently in the Charlotte airport right now, and it got delayed about maybe an hour, but I'm glad like this is like the last delay. So I'm finally gonna head to New York. It's been a long day of traveling, but I'm glad I'm gonna be able to get there tonight. It's gonna be, I'm probably gonna get there about like midnight or so, but I'll update you guys when I land. So I'll see you in New York. 25D, I think I'm almost at the end. 25D.
To access 70 million songs, music videos,
get to New York City. I'm playing currently right now, and I'm very excited. But I was gonna say, so a tip I give you guys, like when you're traveling, make sure you have download whatever airline app you're on, because it'll update you where the flight's canceled, whether a flight is delayed. It gives you gate changes. It's so convenient. So pro tip. So I finally arrived in New York after how many hours later? A million years later, I feel like. But look, you can see the I love New York sign. So I am at the LaGuardia airport, and man, a lot has changed since here. I think they refurbished it a lot, because I remember last time I came to this airport, it wasn't so fancy with a bunch of stores and restaurants. It just, I don't know. Maybe it's been that long. Anyways, gotta go call my Uber and head to the hotel. Hey guys, so I finally arrived at the hotel. The place I'm staying at is called Pestana Park Avenue. It doesn't even really look like a hotel from the outside. It looks like a furniture store or something, but we're about to go in. I mean, I read good reviews about this place and it looks nice, but let's go check in. And this right here, you guys, is the main lobby area where I first walked in. And then over to the left is the check-in desk. So this is the hallway to the bedrooms. And these are the elevators you take. Well, I'm gonna go explore around it real quickly. I'm gonna go in the elevator right now and go back to the lobby. I think LL is it. Alright, so this is the area where you can sit down and I guess have breakfast, because the guy at the front desk was telling me they have free pastries and juice. So this would probably be the area where you get them from. Yep, and coffee. What, even a Starbucks machine. I wonder what's out here. Can you go up in it? Or is it locked? Oh, it's an outdoor seating area. Look, you can make lattes, espresso, or a cappuccino. Right here, look, it's brewing for me right now. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Just love some coffee. I don't care how late or time of the day it is. I always need my coffee fix. Guys, I'm gonna give you a really quick room tour. So this is the main bedroom. I don't know why is it so dark in here. Let me see if I can get some more light. Oh, that's a little bit better. So this is the sink area right here, as you can see, and a little seating area over here. They said that the water is complimentary, but like everything else, is a charge. Let's see what's in here. So they got a safe and a little mini fridge with drinks, but like I said, that's extra. And I want to see the bathroom really quick. Okay, Do I have a rainfall shower head? Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I like bathrooms with rainfall showers. This is fancy. Look at this, guys. Let me open inside so you have a better view. Look at that. Wow. This is nice. It's small, but it's cute and it's clean and comfortable. I want to see the view from outside now. I know it's so dark. Can't really see anything. I'll show you guys in the morning because right now it's way too dark, but so far I like it. So that's basically it for the room tour, resort tour. I know it's very small and tiny, but like I said, it's cozy, it's clean, it's comfortable. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, if you stay at this hotel, they do charge a resort fee per night. I think it was like $20 a night. And even if you don't come here and stay the full 2 nights like I did, like, you know how my flight was canceled and delayed and all the problems at the airport, like I was asking the guy at the front desk, like, do I still get charged for the 2 nights even though I'm not staying the whole 2 nights? He's like, yeah, do the policy. And then I still had to, on top of that, not only did I have to pay for the 2 nights, but I had to pay for the resort fee for 2 nights, which is so frustrating. I don't think that's fair, but that's how they do things here. So just a heads up, guys, if you ever decide to come here. But other than that, I'm just happy to finally be here. I'm just glad I didn't have to wait till the next day to come to New York. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to show you guys all the things I'm going to be doing on my second day. Well, technically my first day, but you know what I mean. Another thing I got to tell you guys. So the bottle that they have in the room, you can fill it up with tap water and it's actually good and it's free. So, I don't know. Like I said, I get excited over the littlest things. But overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this first day of traveling from Orlando. I know it was supposed to be a straight flight from Orlando to New York, but you know, because of the cancellation, had to stop in Charlotte, then Charlotte to New York. But I'm just glad I'm finally here, and I'm happy I'm here, and I'm glad I didn't get rained on here like the last couple New York trips I went on, and it's not freezing. Because last time I came here, I had to be in like a bunch of like sweatshirts and jeans and all. I can just dress like how I normally dress in Florida. The weather is warm here in New York in the summer. So I'm kind of glad I booked a summer trip here, because usually I come in like the fall, the winter, spring, and it's always chilly. But I came first time in the summer, and I actually like it because the weather is warm, you know. But anyways, I don't want to keep blabbing on. This video is going to end up being way too long, but hope you guys enjoyed this first travel vlog. Like I said, there's going to be more to come. I just don't want to put all of it together in one video because it's going to end up being like almost an hour or something. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye!